Right now, good people, I'm getting a lot of questions about why here in the middle of August, trees are already starting to lose leaves, heavy concentrations of nuts and seeds and whatnot are falling from the trees. So why? So the question really is about how are you taking care of the trees all year long? Because just like any living organism, there is ongoing care. And so that care begins, if you will, in the winter time. Then as spring comes along, nutrients, water, etc., your trees don't need to be suffering. Your trees don't need to be losing their leaves prematurely. And if you subscribe and follow along, I offer a number of tips about things that you should be doing at certain times of year, specifically to the Wasatch Front here in Utah, from essentially Provo all the way up through Logan. We have been experiencing a very long, dry summer here. We've gone 135 days in some areas without measurable precipitation. And that means that, yes, we live in a desert and we need to be giving extra care for our trees. I want to show you some examples of trees that are really struggling here in the valley. Oaks to begin with, which is what's behind me here. Sweet gums is another tree. This really struggles with the pH of the soil, nutrients, and water. I've been taking care of this one for years now. And look how good this London plane, or what's commonly called a sycamore here, even though this one struggles with the anthracnose and the pH of the soil, and everywhere you go, it's looking pretty rough. It doesn't need to. Through proper care, nutrients at the right time, spraying the right time for the anthracnose, you can have a perfectly lovely London plane. And finally, this Idaho robe locust, which is a tree that really struggles in this area, and even with our best care, still shows some stress, but goodness sakes, for this time of year and for all the love and attention that we've given this tree, I'm pretty pleased with the way that it's turning out. So whether you've insisted on planting aspens, which we don't typically encourage, or a linden, an Austrian pine, or a birch, it's all very possible. Even in this protracted period of time where it's been so dry, we can keep our trees healthy through timing the care that needs to be implemented throughout the year, not just during the growing season, throughout the year.